At Shay Murtagh, not only do we do box culverts, but there are also similar types of structures to box culverts that we would also manufacture on a regular basis. One type is what is known as a UNN or a UAN, which is very, very similar to a box culvert. Essentially, a UAN is a very large culvert where the height of the culvert, the required height of the culvert, is excessive for transportation considerations. And we need to break that height of the culvert into two sections. So what we would do with the UAN is we would use a joint halfway up the wall of the culvert. It's a simple ball and socket joint, so it allows for transfer of shear, but then it allows for rotational release, freedom of rotation. So it's a moment release. So we would cast the lower half and cast the upper half separately, and the units would be joined together, they would be placed together on site. The other type of structure that's very similar to box culverts that we would manufacture regularly is portal frames. Portal frame is essentially a box culvert with the bottom slab taken away, effectively. Portal frame simply has the legs and the top slab. So portal frames we've done on a regular occasion as well. Portal frames we manufacture effectively in two types. The first would be a true portal frame where we've got that continuous leg of the wall of the portal frame that would extend all the way down to what would be the concrete, frequently in situ concrete block that it would be supported on. However, similar to the UAN sections, there are occasions where the required height of that portal frame leg is excessive for transportation considerations. So similar to the UAN, we would actually split that leg into two sections. We would cast it in two separate sections. So we would cast a portal frame unit, typically with the legs of that unit restricted to 2 meters or less in length, although we can go higher if need be. And we would cast a separate precast base leg that would have an extension off the bottom and frequently reinforcement protruding out of one face to tie into an in situ base.